Hi everybody, it's the Retro Yugi once again. It's been a while since I got to update for you guys on the game I'm developing, Kindness Village here. I know that's been a while, but I do have my reasons. Um, First of all, thank you so much for subscribing to the development channel as well. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw so far. I know it's been a while since I got to update you guys, but again, I have my reasons. Number one, of course, goal number two. Number two, of course, is going to be the main YouTube channel. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers there, so if you guys want to support both channels, make sure you guys subscribe to both channels, the Retro Yuki and my main one, and this one, if you guys want to support both. And number three, we're having a project in my main channel for VR chat. It's Sonic Shadow Emerald Hunters. So that's why I've been a lot of busy, especially with VR chat material on my main channel. So that's been a while. But that does not mean I'm not developing the game, y'all. So let's talk about what I added so far. So as we prepare for chapter 1, there needs to be some type of way to teach you about the game. And now we do. We have a tutorial house. Now keep in mind this may change a little bit later on if I decide to change it. But for now, that is what you call the tutorial house. And to get here, all you have to do on the main, when you start the game, there's going to be an option for you guys to go to chapter 1 or go to the tutorial house. And this is the tutorial house. So what can you get in here? Well, you're going to learn about different parts of the game in general in 3 sections. You have the battle, you have the shopping, and you have the general mechanics. For example, Luna here can teach you about the angel tokens, and Freya here can teach you about the friendship points. Okay? You can learn about the HUD by talking to my own character, yes. My character is in the game, y'all. So you can talk to me about the HUD screen. You can learn about the fast travel system, the save system, and cooking on floor 1. Moving up the stairs, we have 2 other areas, shopping and battle. If we go to shopping, you can learn about how to use your angel tokens. Or you can learn about like use your angel tokens for shopping for items like potions or attachments for your weapons. That's one of the other big points of this game. It's customizable in a way. You can attach some item for your weapon to make it more attack power or defensive power for your characters, in addition to other systems in this game. The spin and win system allows you to use your angel tokens, not real money, angel tokens only, to purchase a spin where you can win items, for example, a potion, or weapons attachments so that you can put it into your weapons. Okay? That is by Galv. Galv. Attachments, I think, is by Yanfly. So, for example, one item can give you 5% damage boost for that weapon. Just keep in mind that if you break the weapon with their ability system, you lose your attachments as well. So, I have a um I have a comparison. Let's just say that this is like let's just say that making your items and weapons is like you're making your loadout for a Call of Duty game. Because essentially you're making a loadout because if you go to skill here, we basically have a loadout, if you will. The Tanya here, for example, let's go to equip skills. You can equip up to 4 skills, but certain items allow you to add 1 additional skill slot. But remember, that is not like a pre-made system. You can change it at any time. Just make sure to change your skills before you do a battle. For example, let's just say I don't want Arrow Storm, I want Blessing of Power. then just change it like that and you're good to go. Or you want to go on the defensive route with let's say you want to go on a power route with Tanya and you want to get a critical shot for the team. And then let's say you want, let's go with Arrow Storm as well. And then let's double up with Blessing of Speed here. So you can do this at any time. And in that extra slot, you can really change the game a bit. Magic allows you to see all your skills. Learn skills is where you can learn skills, but this is not ready yet. I'm going to do this on the next update. TP mode, and this deals with your TP, but I'm gonna see if I'm going to keep this. Because I don't talk about this much, but this is from Yanfly. So I'll think about if I'm going to use this for the actual game. Maybe not, because usually the game is only going to be focusing on MP and those and the other systems I developed just from scratch, if you will, based on what I have in the game. And based on what plugins I put from Yanfly or from anybody else. And you can do this for each character. With Tony here, you can equip, let's say triple shot for the weapon there, blessing of power, bullet storm, and let's say enhanced power. That's your loadout. And then let's say that we buy attachment. And let's actually go into the third floor, which is the battle zone, where you can see the battle system. Learn about the battle system here. And you can battle a slime, which we will in just a moment. But I will first have to get some skills here for Tony. And we're good there. So make sure you buy your bullets as well. I'm gonna have to put some bullets in the board on the board so that you guys can use this. Okay? So now what about the future of this channel? So I want to talk about one quick thing before we close it here. Because it's been a while since I made an update video for this game. This doesn't mean that the game development is stopping. No way, no sir. I just want to talk about the future of the channel in general. So I've been thinking about this very carefully for the last year, 2021, in particular, because the only reason why is because my main channel is focused on more of the gaming material, as well as like anything with tutorials. I've noticed that the tutorials do a lot of good stuff. So here's what I'm complicating. I mean, it's not complicating. Here's what I'm thinking about. Here's what I'm thinking about in terms of this channel and the main channel. I am thinking of doing another try. I'm going to try again a tutorial series for you guys, but it's on the main channel and not on this channel, because I want to start getting that main channel to 1,000 subscribers first before I do anything else with other channels. There is a chance I'm going to move everything over to the main channel except for live streams. There was one time I did a live stream for this particular channel because I wanted to show you guys the game in general. I remember doing that for the build, for the latest build. So here's what I'm going to offer. On my main channel, I have a poll for you guys to vote on. Do you want, I'm going to show you guys this poll and then we're going to see if it updated. So I'm going to show you guys this poll right now. So here's the poll on the main channel. First off, do you want RPG Maker MV tutorials and or updates on my game on this main channel? Right now, unless I refresh this, there are no votes. Go to my main channel to vote on this one if you want. Okay? I just want to refresh to see what happens here. Let's see if there are votes. No, there are no votes just yet. So to go to my main channel from the development channel, this Retriki Game Dev. So here, that is our channel for game development material. So everything here you've seen so far has been from 2021 and 2020, right? This part is what I'm worried about. That is the one I want to talk about, like the how to play with RPG Maker MV and how to use it and all that good stuff. You can get to my main channel from here. So do you guys want this stuff and this stuff to be in my main channel? That's what I want to know. So you guys can vote on that as soon as you can. Alright? That's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to both my main channel and this channel, as I will try to bring over some material to my main channel. Okay? The next update for you guys is not for a while, because I'm gonna start thinking about chapter 1. It's been a while, but it's time for chapter 1, y'all. So I'm excited to bring you guys that. If I do bring up anything else for the game, I'll let you guys know. Okay? I'll see you guys another time, y'all.